In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate the simple process of blocking a contact on WhatsApp, allowing you to effectively manage unwanted messages or calls from specific individuals. To begin, launch the WhatsApp application and select the Chats tab. Subsequently, identify and select the group or contact you wish to block. Once selected, tap on their name or profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the contact's profile and select the Block option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Block again to confirm your action and successfully block the contact. This concludes the tutorial. Should you have any inquiries regarding this process, kindly communicate them in the comments section below.